Okay, we're moving right along. All right, you should have flipped your page over. Now we're on page 6. And you know how the letter book really likes to play tricks on us and can try to confuse us. So on page 5, we were talking about beginning sounds. Guess what they want us to do now? Now they want us to listen for ending sounds. So before, we were looking for that first sound. Now we're looking for the ending sound. So they're switching it on us. Anybody remember what this is? We looked at this before when we did letter C. Right, it's a cot. K-ot. K-ot. What letter does cot end in? So we're looking for the last tab. K-ot. Right. Ends in letter T. So what you will be doing, there's some images up here. If the word ends in T, we're going to cut it out and glue it on our cot. If it does not end in T, you can just throw it away or make some art with it if you want so it doesn't go to waste. All right, so you'll need your scissors and your glue stick for this activity. I want you to go ahead and you're going to cut out all these squares right here and put them to the side, and we're going to look at them in just a minute. If you need to pause me to do that, go ahead and do that, and then come back, and we're going to practice a little bit before we start. All right, so I've got a couple of words here, and again, we're listening for T at the end of a word. So first I'm going to let you see T at the end of the word, but then we want to switch and listen for it. All right, so let's look at this first word I have up here. Let's type this out together. S-at, s-at, sat, sat, sat. Do you see that it ends in T? Listen for it. S-at, t. That ending sound is T, ends in T. All right, let's move to this next one. O-og, o-og, log, log, log. Do you see that that one ends in T? No, it does not. It ends in G. So would that go on our cot? Nope. All right, let's move to the bottom one. D-ot, d-ot, dot, dot, dot. Do you see that the word dot ends in T? Watch me tap it. D-ot. Would the dot go on our cot? Yes, and they're in the same word family. Do you hear that ot sound? That's the same word family, so they definitely would go. A dot would go on our cot. All right, these were just some practice words. Now let's look at the actual images, and we're going to decide if they go on the cot or not. Let's start with the first one. This is a coat. Coat, coat. Does it end in T? Yes. So does the coat go on the cot? Yep. What about doll? Watch me tap it. D-a-ol. Is that the T sound? No. Does the doll go on the cot? No. All right, let's move to the next one. Corn. K-o-n. Does Is that the T sound? Nope, does not go on the cot. What about this one? Cat. K-at. Is it end in that T? K-at. Yes. It ends in T, so it is going on our cot. All right, let's come down here. Dog. Does that end in T? Dog ends in G. That is not going on the cot. The dog is not going on the cot. Next one is hat. At. Hat. Does that end in T? Yes, it does. Goes on the cot. Next one is bat. B-at. Does bat end in T? Yep. Put it on the cot. Last one, snail. Snail. Oh. Ending sound the ol. Does that go on the cot? No. So you should have put the coat, the cat, the hat, and the bat on the cot. So you should have 4 items that you can glue on the cot. And all of those words end in letter T. So today we practiced listening for T at the beginning of a word and also at the end of a word. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for literacy.